Hey, welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike. I'm glad you came to see me today. Man, we got a great recipe for you today. It's one that I love, one of my personal favorites for breakfast, and that is Eggs Benedict. I think everybody's gonna love it. You probably have had Eggs Benedict before, but did you ever try to make it at home? Maybe you thought it was a little too difficult, but let me show you how easy it really is. So let me show you what's in the recipe, okay? We have this beautiful little one piece of English muffin that we'll be toasting for you. And we have the Canadian bacon that we're gonna brown up just a little bit. But for the sauce, we're gonna be using 2 eggs, some lemon juice, a little vinegar, and did I say I had a half a stick of butter melted already? And a little pinch of salt and pepper, and of course, my personal favorite, hate to get off the camera, but my personal favorite is a little cayenne pepper. So the first thing we're gonna do is brown up our Canadian bacon. Well, let's go ahead and get the fire on this little skillet. I have a little butter in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the Canadian bacon in right now. It's not gonna take but just a few seconds, like 30 seconds. Oh yeah, it's browning up a little bit now, just a little bit. All right, that's about where I want it, right there. So we'll take this out, put this back in the bowl, and now let's go ahead and toast up our English muffin. Let's get that English muffin toasted. Gotta get that baby toasted, yes indeed. Ooh, ooh, I think that's good enough. Holy mackerel, that's it, man, it looks beautiful. Ooh, it's nice and hot. Now it's time to make the hollandaise sauce. It's really, really easy. Gotta have a couple of little gadgets. So we're gonna crack a couple of eggs in here. There we go. It's really easy. All you have to do is just rock it back and forth a little bit like that. And we just need 2 egg yolks. Rock it back and forth in this little gadget. Man, this is a cool little tool, man. And there it is, 2 egg yolks. We'll move that off to the side. And here's the other ingredients. We have some lemon juice right here that I pressed out of a fresh lemon. So what do we need? We need a tablespoon and maybe about a half. Tablespoon and a half. We need a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. We need a couple of splashes of cayenne, that's all. And, oh, and we do need a little water, like about a tablespoon of water. I had the water off to the side, and there it is, 1 tablespoon. And now we're gonna whisk this together as we are putting the butter in, okay? Let me move a couple of things out of the way. Now the butter was a half a stick, and it went into the microwave for only 30 seconds, and it melted. So here it is, but you know, it's not thick enough. Why? Because we didn't cook it yet. So let's go ahead and put it in this boiling water. Put this little bowl in the boiling water, and it'll cook, and you'll see how, look, 3 minutes, I guarantee you, you're gonna have great hollandaise sauce. So let's go ahead and put it right in that boiling water. Just set that little bowl right down in there, and we're gonna whisk this, keep that water boiling, and I guarantee you in about 3 minutes, you'll have a great hollandaise sauce. You're mixing together the lemon juice, and the salt and pepper, the little cayenne with the eggs. It's gonna be good. Ooh, it's been about 3 minutes. It's looking great. I love this. Okay, so our hollandaise sauce is made, and let me go ahead and get a little taste of that right now. Oh my goodness, that is delish. So we're just going to take this, it's not even really that hot, set it off to the side. Let me get rid of this skillet right here. I had some water preheated. And so here's what you need to do to poach your egg. It's really simple. You want to bring your water up to a boil, and then you want to turn it down to a simmer, okay? And you want to put your vinegar in. Oh yeah, that's vinegar. Like I said, about 2 tablespoons. Oops. Stir it around. Now, I like to crack my egg in a little bowl. Oh, these are great little eggs. And then just put it right, you know what, let's get that stirred up a little bit more. Like that. Because you want that circular motion to keep that egg right in the middle. And then just easily drop it in. That's how easy that is. With it simmering, it'll just begin to poach. And my goodness gracious, I forgot. Let me get this thing started. 3 minutes. So we'll have a poached egg in 3 minutes, I promise you. Okay. It's been 3 minutes. Now we're going to take that beautiful little poached egg and just pull it right out of there very carefully. And here's a good tip. Just place it on a paper towel and let that water come off the egg. That's what you want to do. So let's just let that sit right there. And let me get a little thing here. And what we're going to do is put this bowl right back in that hot water. That's what we're going to do. And I want to go ahead and put about a tablespoon of water in there and just mix that around a little bit. Oh yeah, that water's already hot, so. Alrighty, that did it right there. Because I like my hollandaise sauce nice and warm. That's what I want. So we're gonna take some hollandaise sauce, spread that right on top. Let's go ahead and assemble this baby, okay? I like to put some hollandaise sauce right on that muffin first. That's what I like to do. The next thing is we'll put our 2 slices of Canadian bacon. Then we'll just place our poached egg right on top, just like that. And drizzle a little bit more hollandaise sauce right over, just like that. A little cayenne pepper for the top, and some beautiful slices of tomato. Isn't that a masterpiece? This is beautiful, and it's going to taste just as good too. I'm so glad you guys came to see us today. You're going to want to learn how to do this, I guarantee you. Well, all that's left to do is enjoy the Eggs Benedict. I can't wait to cut it open to see that beautiful yolk. Let's do it. Oh man, look at this, how pretty. Oh man, 3 minutes. Beautiful. Oh man, that yolk just slid right out of there, and I can't wait to eat a piece of this. English muffins can be a little tough sometimes, but it sure tastes good. Here we go. Gotta have the tomato. That is some good. Boy, was this good. I'm telling you, I can't wait to finish this off. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our Eggs Benedict today. All the ingredients and instructions will be in the description of the video. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. If you've already subscribed, we love you. Hope you have a great week. And as I always say, God bless you.